Hello. So our today's question is to find the iron carbonyl in FeCO5. State the nuclearity of it. What is nuclearity? So the nuclearity is a single coordination entity that indicates the number of central atoms joined by bridging the ligands or the metal-metal bonds. So if we see here, we see that what the structure of FeCO5 is. So we have 5 C's, something like this. And then each C has a triple bond with O. Yeah. So from this structure, the FeCO5, the Fe atom is surrounded by actually 5 of the CO ligands. So the Fe carbonyl is a mononuclear. That's because it's free flowing and like it's straw colored liquid and it has a pungent smell. And mononuclear complexes are the simplest types of coordination compounds that contain a single metal atom or ion surrounded by monodentate ligands. Thank you.